So just visit the air complex. Now it's the heading stand. And this time we have ground team participation. Also, it's really the senior vice president of AVIC. The AIRSHOW in the large scale with Pakistan Air Force. We are very appreciative. This time the Air Force, they have sent 7 aircraft.
I'm soldiers of PIF. This is my boss. We're very proud to be with you. And we always say that China-Pakistan friendship is higher than the mountains and deeper than the ocean.
Okay.
But in actual fact, it is. The love and affection. I've been with the Prime Minister and with the President about 7 times in the last 2 years. And the love and affection I got from your leadership is beyond imagination. When first time I went after your Prime Minister and come to Pakistan, when I went to China, I was told that the Prime Minister was crying. Emotionally he was crying.
Yeah.
And because he was being escorted by F-17 aircraft, and he was very proud of that. And he said that